Alright guys, so we got our new 2021 RAV4 here. We went with the blackout package. It's one of the only upgrades we did through the dealer. We're going to be making some changes on it. But it didn't come with black lug nuts, which was weird. So I'm just going to show you how to remove your lug nut, measure it, and then see what kind it is. There, I believe, are 3 different types of lug nuts that Toyota offers. So we're going to see which one this one is, measure it, and that way we know what lug nuts to black. So these are we'll take a 3/16 socket, and I'm just using a 24-inch, half-inch breakover bar just to remove it. With this amount of leverage, it doesn't take much. If you're doing it with a small ratchet, you're going to be struggling. So we don't have the regular conical shape. This one is flat. That goes into a straight, a flat hole. Basically, it's kind of like a 90-degree turn in there. So what we're going to use is our digital calipers. This is just a cheap general set, but it works for what we're doing. So just change the mode to millimeters, and we're going to check the length, which is right at 37 millimeters. We'll check the hex to tell us what size socket to use. So that'll basically round up to a 21, or you can use a 13/16. And also I measure the flange at here, it's just over 30, and then this lower piece about 18 and a half. That's probably not relevant, but really you want to know your thread pitch in here. I don't have a gauge, but I know that the RAV4 is 12 by 1.5, so that's what you would want to look for, and you would want at least 37 millimeters, and if you want to change this into inches, then it's 1.45, so anything over that you will be fine. If you want it a little bit taller. So anyways, we're going to order some. We'll have a link in the description below of which ones we ended up going with, and we'll do an installation video as well whenever we get the replacements of the black ones. So alright, hope that helps. Thanks.